Well, hey there, friends. I'm just enjoying a peaceful moment out in the garden, and guess what showed up on the porch? My better half on her way to New Orleans surprised me with a little Amazon delivery. A bundle of Pokemon cards. 3 packs, a sticker, and a whole lot of love. So I figured, why not open the first one right here, and then head out to find a couple of beautiful spots for the others. I'm going to start with the Shrouded Fable pack, see what's hiding inside. Well, hey there, Okidogi. Ain't that something special? Found a quiet spot out by the marsh for pack number 2. The sun is sinking low, and the sky is putting on a show. Let's see if this Obsidian Flame glows. Not the flashiest pull, but a view like this feels like a win anyways. One last pack and the day's almost done. Found my way to the edge of the river, where the water moves slow and the world feels quiet. Let's see what the current carries in. Mewtwo to end the day. Wouldn't have it any other way. Big thank you to my love for the thoughtful surprise. You made today extra special. And to everyone watching, thanks for tagging along. Hope you found a bit of peace in the journey too. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.